there! Welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a prickly pear cactus. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw the prickly pear cactus. Doing the job with pen could be risky, so I'm using my pencil. Now the process is becoming faster. Okay, now I will do the outline. Let's clean all the extra pencil marks. I'm using the same black pen again to draw the thorns. For the coloring, I'm using my red pen. Now for the cactus, I'm using my green pencil. For the rest, I'm using a light green pencil. Wow, it's looking amazing! Thank you so much for watching.